If you've been following DJI's release cycle, you'll know the Air series usually gets refreshed every couple of years, and with the Air 3S currently leading the lineup, many insiders believe the Air 4 could arrive in late 2026, possibly between September and November. Right now, though, we're in the early leak stage, and that means details are limited, but there are still some interesting things to talk about. First, let's address the biggest point. There are no confirmed specs from DJI. However, a few prototype sightings and insider chatter suggest that DJI is actively testing a new Air series drone. Some early reports mention slight design tweaks compared to the Air 3S, including revised folding arms and a potentially updated sensor layout. While we haven't seen a full spec sheet leak yet, the physical changes hint that DJI could be refining obstacle sensing hardware and possibly upgrading internal components. Camera upgrades are where things get really interesting. While no reliable source has confirmed exact numbers, expectations point toward a stronger imaging system than the Air 3S. That could mean a larger primary sensor, possibly retaining a dual camera setup, with improved dynamic range and low-light performance. DJI may also push higher frame rate options or enhanced HDR video modes. Given how competitive the mid-range drone market is becoming, it wouldn't be surprising to see 5.4K or even higher frame rate 4K recording improvements, along with smarter color profiles for creators. Flight performance is another area where expectations are expected. If DJI follows its usual pattern, we could see longer flight times than the current generation, potentially pushing beyond the 40-minute mark under optimal conditions. Improved wind resistance and enhanced stabilization tuning are also likely, especially as DJI continues refining its flight algorithms. Transmission upgrades could also be on the table, possibly integrating the next evolution of DJI's OcuSync system with stronger signal stability and extended range performance, though no official numbers have surfaced yet. Obstacle avoidance and safety systems may see refinement as well. Early rumors suggest DJI could enhance omnidirectional sensing accuracy, possibly with better low-light detection. Given the growing importance of autonomous features, we might also see upgraded tracking modes, smarter active track capabilities, and improved automated shooting functions. AI-based subject tracking has been improving rapidly in DJI's recent products, so it would make sense for the Air 4 to benefit from that evolution. As for pricing, there's no concrete leak yet, but based on the Air series positioning, it would likely sit in a similar premium mid-range bracket. If the Air 3S pricing strategy continues, we could expect a base model around the familiar Air series price range, with Fly More combo options pushing higher. Again, that's speculation based on past patterns rather than confirmed retail listings. One important thing to note is DJI's broader product roadmap. Throughout 2025 and into 2026, attention has been focused heavily on other releases like the Avata 360 and updates to the Osmo lineup. Some industry watchers believe DJI may prioritize those launches first, which could explain why Air 4 leaks are still relatively quiet. That said, prototype testing typically happens months before launch, so the absence of detailed leaks doesn't mean the product isn't coming, it likely just means DJI is keeping things tightly controlled. So where does that leave us right now? As of early 2026, the DJI Air 4 remains unannounced with no official release date, no confirmed camera specs, and no verified flight performance numbers. What we do have are early prototype whispers, late 2026 launch predictions, and strong expectations of improvements in camera performance, battery life, transmission stability, and intelligent flight features. As soon as more solid leaks, like regulatory filings, FCC listings, or clear prototype images start appearing, we'll have a much clearer picture. Until then, the Air 4 remains one of the most anticipated upcoming drones in DJI's lineup, and if DJI sticks to its usual innovation pace, it could be a serious upgrade for aerial creators.